Peacock TV's honest review and user experience. Is it worth your subscription? With so many streaming services out there, it's hard to decide which one truly deserves your money. Peacock TV's Universal's platform promises a mix of classic shows, live sports, and original series, but is it actually worth subscribing to? Here's my honest experience. Peacock offers 3 tiers: free, premium, and premium plus. The free version already includes tons of content from The Office clips to movies and news. But the real value kicks in with the paid plans, where you unlock full episodes, live events, and exclusive originals. Most people get this wrong. They think Peacock is just another clone of Netflix. But its focus on live sports, including Premier League soccer and events, gives it a unique edge. Thus, it's the only place to stream NBC favourites like Saturday Night Live and Law and Order. The interface is sleek, easy to navigate, and works smoothly across devices. Streaming quality is excellent, though the free plan includes ads. The paid plans, however, reduce or remove them entirely. The biggest drawback is regional availability. Not all content is accessible outside the US, but if you're within its service area, it offers a strong mix of nostalgia, news, and entertainment. Overall, Peacock TV's is absolutely worth it if you love content, live sports, and affordable streaming. It's one of the most underrated platforms in the game right now.